Imagine a world where doing laundry wasn't a quick load in a machine, but a grueling, multi-day ordeal. For millennia, across cultures and continents, washing clothes meant hours of back-breaking labor. Women, primarily, would gather by rivers, streams, or communal wash basins, scrubbing fabrics against rocks or washboards. This wasn't just about getting clothes clean, it was about survival, hygiene, and an immense, never-ending physical burden that shaped daily life. This universal, exhausting chore highlights the stark reality of pre-industrial domestic life and sets the stage for a truly transformative invention. Historical records and ethnographic studies reveal the sheer drudgery involved. According to scholars like Ruth Schwartz Cowan, in the late 19th century, doing a family's laundry could easily consume an entire day, or even two, each week. This included fetching heavy buckets of water, boiling clothes in large tubs over open fires, scrubbing them vigorously, rinsing, wringing by hand, and then hanging them to dry. The physical toll was immense: aching backs, chapped hands, and constant fatigue. For many, this chore was a relentless cycle, a major constraint on their time and energy, fundamentally limiting other pursuits. The universal nature of this arduous task naturally led to a demand for relief. Human ingenuity, driven by necessity, sparked early attempts at mechanization. While full automation was centuries away, the desire to lighten the load was evident in rudimentary tools. Early innovations included simple wooden paddles or plungers designed to agitate clothes in water, making the scrubbing marginally less strenuous. These weren't machines in our modern sense, but they represented the first conceptual leaps, recognizing that motion, not just friction, could aid in cleaning, offering a glimpse of future possibilities. The concept of a true washing machine began to emerge with the advent of hand-cranked devices. While exact attributions vary among historians, a notable early development occurred in 1797 when American inventor Nathaniel Briggs was granted a patent for a clothes washing machine. His design likely incorporated some form of agitated tub, where clothes could be moved mechanically, rather than manually scrubbed. These early models, though still requiring significant physical effort to operate, represented a crucial departure, moving from direct manual labor to leveraging simple machines to multiply human effort. It was a step towards efficiency. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the late 18th century, provided the perfect incubator for the washing machine's evolution. With advancements in metallurgy, steam power, and mass production, the scale and complexity of washing devices expanded. Large, factory-style washing machines, often steam-powered, appeared in commercial laundries and institutions first. While these weren't yet household items, their existence proved the viability of mechanized washing on a larger scale. This industrial application laid the groundwork, demonstrating that technology could indeed conquer the colossal chore, moving washing from a personal burden to an engineered process. The true revolution for the average household came with the widespread availability of electricity and the electric motor. In 1908, Alva J. Fisher of the Hurley Machine Company in Chicago is widely credited with patenting and introducing the first electric-powered washing machine, known as the Thor. This machine utilized an electric motor to rotate a drum, automating the agitation process and eliminating the strenuous hand cranking. This was a monumental leap, transitioning laundry from a physically demanding chore requiring constant human input to one where a machine did the heavy lifting at the push of a button. The impact of the electric washing machine on daily life, particularly for women, cannot be overstated. Historian Susan Strasser notes how it drastically reduced the time and energy devoted to household laundry, freeing up countless hours each week. No longer bound to the washboard and boiler, women gained invaluable time. This liberation wasn't just about convenience, it fundamentally reshaped the domestic sphere, allowing for greater participation in social activities, community engagement, and even the pursuit of education or employment outside the home. It signaled a profound shift towards an easier, more flexible way of life. This newfound freedom extended beyond individual households, contributing to broader socioeconomic transformations. As Dr. Christine H. B. Jordan argues, the washing machine, alongside other domestic appliances, played a significant role in changing women's economic opportunities. With less time spent on arduous chores, women could increasingly enter the workforce, pursuing careers, and contributing to the family income. This shift had ripple effects, from family dynamics to national economies, altering traditional gender roles and creating new avenues for personal and professional growth. It was a quiet revolution within the home. Today, the washing machine is an indispensable appliance, a testament to its enduring value. From semi-automatic to fully automatic, front-loading to top-loading, and now smart machines with digital controls, its evolution continues. Modern washing machines offer advanced features like multiple wash cycles, energy efficiency, and water conservation, making laundry not just easy, but environmentally conscious. What was once a day-long struggle is now a simple, automated process taking just an hour or two, demanding minimal effort and delivering consistently clean clothes with remarkable reliability. It's convenience personified. From the arduous scrubbing by the riverbanks to the push-button ease of a modern appliance, the journey of the washing machine is a powerful narrative of human progress. It transformed a physically draining, time-consuming burden into an almost effortless task. This invention didn't just clean clothes, it liberated millions, reshaped domestic life, and contributed to significant social and economic advancements. The washing machine stands as a symbol of how innovation, born from necessity, can dramatically improve quality of life, bringing joy and ease to countless families and allowing them more time for what truly matters.